If you've ever opened Microsoft Edge and seen the page telling you, see the events that happened in the past on this day, and you want to turn that off, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable it in just a few clicks. This is a simple fix, but it can make your Edge homepage feel a lot cleaner and less distracting. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the homepage where you see that content. On the page, look for the settings or page settings icon, which looks like a gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the homepage settings. Once the settings panel appears, look for the section called Content Settings. Under that section, you should see an option to manage the homepage content. Click on Manage. This will open the controls for the content shown on your Edge homepage. Now look for the setting that says, see the events that happened in the past on this day. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn that toggle off. As soon as you switch it off, Edge will stop showing those event reminders on your homepage. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or open a new tab to confirm the setting has been updated. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the See the events that happened in the past on this day feature in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a moment once you know where to look. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Edge settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.